this will, not really sure how this will go in the rain, but the storm I'm in, but I'm on lunch. I figure I'll do a little recording. What's up, Cracked Canvas fam? It's KP. And if you're grinding but still broke, this is your wake-up call. I've been to rock bottom. I've been addicted. I've been in debt, raising my daughter alone, scrapping for every dollar. The system's rigged to keep you down, but I'm exposing why. The traps, the scams, the lies. Today you get the ultimate no BS blueprint to break free. Powered by J.L. Collins' Simple Path to Wealth. I also cover a little house hacking that I've learned from real estate investors like Michael Zuber, Dion Talks Financial Freedom, Matt, the Lumberjack Landlord, and probably quote Warren Buffett and a few others. This is your path to fire, financial independence, retiring early. Let's become financially free together. Let's crush it. Trap number one, inflation's sneaky tax. Inflation's a silence, I was gonna say a serial killer. What the hell? Inflation's a silent killer. In 2025, groceries, rent, gas, they're all skyrocketing. Your dollar's weaker every day. I watch my savings shrink and it hurt. That bank account you're holding cash in, it's bleeding out. Inflation's a tax on your fire dreams. Here's how you can fight back. Pump up your income. Start a side hustle, YouTube, freelancing, coding, anything. I built Cracked Canvas from nothing, and so can you. Grant Cardone says, you don't get rich saving money in a bank. You get rich by increasing your income. Stack that cash. Invest like a legend. J.L. Collins, one of my personal heroes, from the Simple Path to Wealth is my Bible. Put 50% of every paycheck into BTI, Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund. The ETF version of VTSAX is VTI. It's like owning a piece of every business: Apple, Google, McDonald's, Amazon, and thousands of more. Forget picking stocks or timing the market. That's a loser's game. VTI gives you the whole stock market. If one company flops, they swap it out with another one. And low fees, 10% average returns, compounding magic. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. John Bogle, Vanguard's founder, built this brilliance, saying the simple arithmetic of compounding returns beats the tyranny of cost. Start with $10 or $50. It's your ticket to wealth. It's amazing with a little remote, how much easier it makes it with a little remote to hit record and stop record. All right, what trap are we on? Trap number 3, the shiny object scams. The internet's a scam jungle. Crypto gurus, dropshipping schemes, passive income lies, they're shiny traps. I wasted months chasing them. Your real wealth, it's your time. Don't let it get jacked. Here's what works. Here's what works. Stick to the simple path to wealth. Live below your means. Invest in BTI. Let time do the work. J.L. Collins says the stock market's a wealth building tool, not a casino. He's right. For real estate, follow the pros. I'm learning from Michael Zuber with one rental at a time, and Dion Talks Financial Freedom, also known as the Lazy Landlord. He also just put out a book, brand new book, just came out like this morning or yesterday. Check it out. Dion Talks Financial Freedom, also known as the Lazy Landlord. My man Matt, the Lumberjack Landlord, intelligent, very, very brilliant guy. They've got unique REI strategies. They all don't do it the same. They do it different. We can too. Pick what you like and go with it. Dion and Matt, they do preach house hacking, which is why I talk about it a lot. And it's small multifamily units, how to build wealth with using those. I'm saving for a fourplex personally, aiming for a new one every 2 years for the next decade. That's my fire journey. Grab Zuber's One Rental at a Time book. It's real estate gold. Robert Kiyosaki says the rich buy assets, the poor buy liabilities, thinking they're assets. Your house hack is definitely going to be an asset. Facts. Trap number 4. Your mind's sabotage. Your head's the biggest trap. I'll save tomorrow, or it's too late, or I'm not good enough. What if I fail? What if I don't have enough time? I almost lost everything to addiction. My daughter's future snapped me out. Michael Jordan said, I failed over and over, and that's why I succeed. I failed over and over, and that's why now I succeed. Fear and excuses keep you broke. You're not stuck, you're asleep. Wake up with this. Start small. Invest $50 into BTI today. Just $50. Honestly, if you really are confused or you have no idea what I'm talking about and you have Cash App, the easiest thing you can do is set up to be able to buy stocks. You always see this stock thing on Cash App, right? You can apply and you can, once you're approved, you can buy BTI straight from your Cash App and start treating it like a savings account. Every payday, you can just start putting a set amount right into BTI. But today, set it up. I don't care if you put up $1 into it. My script here says, invest $50 into BTI today. So that's what I read. Put $1, put $5, put $10, put whatever you can put, just so you can start compounding your money. What BTI is, it's like owning a slice of every business. Apple, Google, Amazon, every business out there. Saving 50% of your paycheck sounds nuts when you're living paycheck to paycheck. I get it. That's why side hustles are king. Drive Uber, sell online, learn coding, whatever it takes to get extra money and increase your income so you can save half of your full-time W-2 check. That's what you have to do. Alex Hormozy says your income's only limited to your skills. Stack skills, stack cash, stack BTI. It's imperative that you read The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Also, I suggest reading One Rental at a Time by Michael Zuber. You may not want to do both. My journey is doing both. I'm doing BTI, and I'm going to let that compound for the next 10, 20, 30 years. But I'm also going to be house hacking a new property every 2 years. A small multifamily unit, preferably a fourplex. But read these books. You got to read J.L. Collins' books, The Simple Path to Wealth, because that's a must. So if you're interested in real estate at all or house hacking, I strongly recommend One Rental at a Time by Michael Zuber and Dion McNeely's new book that I was just talking about. Also, you've got to read Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. They'll rewire your brain for wealth. Elon Musk says when something's important enough, you do it. Even if the odds aren't in your favor, make wealth important to you and you'll do it. Second nature. The Cracked Canvas Fire Blueprint. These traps aren't your fault, but they're your fight. I went from rock bottom to saving for a fourplex while raising my daughter. Here's your ultimate fire blueprint, cracked canvas style. Step number 1, skyrocket income. Learn a high value skill, content creation, trades, coding. Start a side hustle. Jeff Bezos says you don't choose your passions choose you. Find your income stream. Step number 2, crush debt. Use the avalanche method to kill high interest debt first. So basically, if you got a lot of credit cards, find out what your highest interest you're paying and tackle those first. Some of you Big Dave Ramsey fans, I am too, but he does the snowball, meaning you just take care of the minimum, the smallest amount first, but you're wasting money that way. If you go ahead and tackle your high interest, you get to save some money. So use the avalanche method to crush debt. Step number 3, BTI power. Invest 50% of your paycheck. Of course, until you get a side hustle or increase your income, that's going to be very hard. But we really want you to invest 50% of your paycheck into BTI. You're owning the whole market, everything. Apple, Google, Amazon, Temu, everything you can think of that's publicly traded. I'm not really sure if Temu is. I just added that in there on my own. Temu's Chinese, so maybe not. But anyway, you get my drift. Amazon, Google, Starbucks, McDonald's, shit like that. They're all of them, all the biggest companies that's publicly traded. If you get BTI, you own a little fraction of every single business publicly traded on the stock market. Really, really cool. In 10 years, your BTI's 10% average return, your consistent 50% investment could grow 30,000 to 50,000 beyond your capital. Do you hear me? If you do what I'm asking or suggesting, and I continue to do what I'm doing, in 10 years, less for me because I've already started a couple of years ago, but in 10 years, you will have between 30 and 50 grand more than you will put in. Eventually, the compounding will be so great that you'll only invest, let's just say, for example, $7,000, and in that same year, earn $11,000. Towards the end of the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th year, you'll end up earning more than you put in. It's magic. It's compounding magic. Warren Buffett says someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. Plant your BTI tree now. I love that quote. Let's talk about it again. Let's say it again. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long ago. All that means is what? Start. Go ahead and start. Step number 4, house hack. Buy a small multifamily unit, duplex, triplex, fourplex. You don't want to go above that because you can't get a single family home loan, like a conventional loan or FHA beyond a fourplex. And then live in one unit and rent out the others. That's going to give you a whole lot of extra income because you're not going to have rent or mortgage anymore. Dion and Matt show how on Dion Talks Financial Freedom and Matt the Lumberjack Landlord. And of course, don't forget about Michael Zuber. He hasn't house hacked, but he talks about it. I'm aiming for a fourplex every 2 years for a decade. Step number 5, the Iron Mice mindset. Get 1% better every day. Jordan's failures built his wins. Your grit builds your wealth. Tony Robbins says, where focus goes, energy flows. Focus on freedom. That's pretty good shit. Tony Robbins says, where focus goes, energy flows. Focus on freedom. Time freedom, baby. Your fire movement. Cracked Canvas isn't a channel, it's a movement. We're grinders, parents, dreamers, fighting for freedom. My daughter's smile keeps me pushing in her future. What's your why? Robert Kiyosaki says, the poor work for money, the rich make money work for them. I love that shit, man. The poor work for money, the rich make money work for them. Start today. Invest that 50, pay off that card, plan your house hack. Fire is closer than you think. Financial independence, retire early. It's actually closer than you think. You just got to get started. Hey, if this random, chaotic, blooper type of video inspired you or fired you up in any way, smash that like, share with someone stuck, and subscribe to Cracked Canvas for weekly no BS truth. Want real estate gold? Check out Michael Zuber with One Rental at a Time. Dion Talks Financial Freedom, also known as the Lazy Landlord, and Matt the Lumberjack Landlord. Grab the Simple Paths of Wealth, One Rental at a Time, and Rich Dad Poor Dad. They're your fire playbooks. I'm learning from them, and you should too. Them all my book plugs. But I really have them. I've really read them several times. I believe in them, and I really think you should check them out. I really do. I think it ain't like I make like a couple cents, at the most $1, and it doesn't cost you anything at all if you click my link and buy these books. It has no bearing. It's just like if you do it on your own on Amazon. Please check them out. It doesn't even matter if you click on my link. Go straight to Amazon and buy them. I just want you to read them. Last but not least, let's build crew power. Let's build this movement. Guys, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, let's build this movement. Drop your hashtag crack your path. Hashtag crack your path in the comments. What's one trap you're smashing this week or this year, this month? Just one trap that you may be able to focus on, even if it's not buying fast food anymore, or putting a few bucks into BTI, or checking out Dion Talks Financial Freedom, Michael Zuber, or Matt the Lumberjack Landlord. What's one trap you're smashing this week, Crack Canvas community? Let's own our future together. I promise you this shit works. It really, really works. I love not being financially stressed anymore, and I'm not even years and years in yet. But I have no financial worry, no financial concern. I have money in the bank. I have money compounding in the BTI. I have my credits rebuilt, and I'm able to get any kind of mortgage loan I want. So I can go buy a duplex, triplex, or quad, fourplex anytime. I'm waiting until 2026, but I can do it anytime. I'm already pre-qualified. And I promise you, 2 years ago, my credit score was a 4 something. This shit works. It works. I'm not talking shit, man. I am reading a script, but it's something that I wrote and that I've learned and that I have lived, that I'm living. I know it works. FIRE. Financial independence, retire early. Thanks for watching, everybody. Love you.